What up, y'all? It's your boy Poc 666. So here's another rod from one from my collection. This one is a diwa mini cast, and it's got I paired it with a Johnson push button reel. This is the old school. So the pole is from 1986, and these ones are from 1980. The Johnson. There we go. I don't know why the sun's doing that, but all right, check her out. Just show you, she casts pretty good. The only thing I don't like about this reel is it's got a bad drag. If anything, it's got a weak drag because it's a micro. It's for micro fishing. All right, you ready? Hangers, man. That boy went way out there. Just using a little teeny tiny generic spoon. There you go. It's like a knockoff Castmaster. Alright, let's do one more. Ready? Here she goes. It casts pretty good, man. I like it. I paid $3 for this pole. The reel and pole together. I didn't find these ones. I wish. That would have been cool. But alright, one more, I guess. You see, it's got a ultra light to somewhat light action to it. It helps that the reel is really good. Alright. You gotta pay attention to what I'm doing though. I got a tree right above me.